Understanding manifestation, neuroscience and practical applications for abundance manifestation is a concept that has gained popularity in contemporary discussions about personal development and success. It revolves around the idea that individuals can bring their desires into reality through focused thought and intentional action. This article aims to provide an in-depth exploration of manifestation from a scientific perspective, specifically through the lens of neuroscience and psychological principles. By understanding how our brains function and how we can reshape them to foster a mindset geared toward abundance, individuals can effectively harness the principles of manifestation in their lives. The science of neuroplasticity. Neuroplasticity is the brain's ability to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections throughout life. This fundamental ability underlies the capacity for learning and adaptation in response to experiences. Contrary to earlier beliefs, the idea that the brain is static post-adolescence is no longer upheld. Rather, it is understood that the brain continues to develop and change in response to our thoughts, actions, and environment. Mechanisms of neuroplasticity. There are three primary mechanisms through which neuroplasticity occurs: myelination, synaptic connectivity, and neurogenesis. Myelination. This process involves the formation of a protective coating around neurons, enabling faster transmission of signals. Repeating specific behaviors or thoughts leads to increased myelination in those neural pathways, thereby strengthening them. For example, if an individual practices gratitude regularly, the neural circuits relating to feelings of gratitude become more efficient. Synaptic connectivity. This involves the creation of connections between neurons. Each time a neuron fires, it increases the likelihood that the connecting synapse will strengthen. Enhanced synaptic connectivity enables improved communication between neurons, facilitating complex cognitive functions such as problem-solving and decision-making. Neurogenesis. This refers to the generation of new neurons from neural stem cells. While neurogenesis is most active during development, it can occur throughout life, particularly in response to learning, physical activity, and environmental enrichment. Understanding these mechanisms helps to explain how the brain can be intentionally shaped and reshaped through practices like manifestation, visualization, and affirmations. The role of mindset in manifestation. The mindset that one cultivates significantly influences the likelihood of successful manifestation. The concept of magnetic desire refers to a deep and emotional motivation that fuels an individual's pursuit of specific goals. Emotional intensity plays a critical role in this process. Desires that are tied to strong emotions are more likely to produce the perseverance needed to bring them to fruition. Moreover, the brain's natural inclination towards loss aversion can hinder manifestation if one becomes overly focused on what could go wrong or what might be lost. Training the brain to focus on abundance rather than scarcity shifts the perception and opens pathways for recognizing opportunities rather than threats. Practical steps for manifestation. Step 1. Raise awareness. Achieving a clear understanding of what one genuinely desires is the first step toward manifestation. This requires introspection to identify intrinsic motivations. Techniques such as journaling or guided meditations can help to articulate these desires, ensuring that they are aligned with one's values and aspirations. Step 2. Focus attention. Shifting attention toward desired outcomes is essential. One way to accomplish this is through vision boards, visual representations of goals that serve as constant reminders. By engaging in selective attention, the brain can filter out distractions and maintain focus on the goals at hand, reinforcing the neural pathways associated with those desires. Step 3. Deliberate practice. Manifestation is not merely about hoping for the best. It requires action. Deliberate practice involves taking tangible steps toward achieving goals, whether that means networking, pursuing education, or acquiring relevant skills. Developing routines that support these actions can help to fortify the commitment to one's desires. Step 4. Accountability. Keeping oneself accountable is vital for sustaining motivation. This can be achieved through tracking progress, setting deadlines, or partnering with a mentor or accountability buddy. Regular reflection on achievements and setbacks helps to maintain momentum and recalibrate strategies as needed. Visualization and affirmations. Visualization is a powerful tool in manifestation, as it helps the brain to create detailed mental images of desired outcomes. By using all 5 senses in these visualizations, individuals can make their goals feel more vivid and tangible. Research has demonstrated that the brain often cannot differentiate between real and vividly imagined experiences, meaning that visualization can trigger the same neural responses as actual experiences. Affirmations act as cognitive tools that reinforce positive beliefs and counteract negative self-talk. By repeating affirmations tied to one's goals, individuals can gradually override limiting beliefs entrenched in their subconscious, thus enabling a more enabling narrative in their lives. Emotional regulation and its impact on manifestation. Emotional state plays a critical role in the manifestation process. High levels of chronic stress, often indicated by elevated cortisol, can impair cognitive functions and decision-making abilities. Managing stress through techniques such as mindfulness, meditation, and proper time management can improve overall mental well-being and facilitate a clearer pathway for manifestation. The social aspect of manifestation. The people individuals surround themselves with can significantly influence their ability to manifest their desires. Social networks often shape behaviors, and being part of a positively driven group can enhance motivation and provide necessary support structures. Conversely, negative or unsupportive environments can hinder progress and cultivate self-doubt. Conclusion. The journey toward manifestation hinges on understanding the intrinsic workings of the brain and utilizing that knowledge to foster a mindset geared toward abundance. Through the principles of neuroplasticity, individuals can reshape their thinking patterns, reinforce positive habits, and take actionable steps to create the life they desire. By emphasizing a growth-oriented mindset and integrating practical tools and strategies, manifestation can transform from a mere wish into a structured path toward achieving one's deepest desires. With conscious effort and dedication, the power to manifest is within reach for anyone willing to engage with it actively. If you liked our content and want more health knowledge, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share your thoughts in the comment. See you later.